pick up your passport. To the best in foreign travel services from Allied Irish banks. We'll help you on your way.
The government of Ireland will give an emergency message. This is the Republic of Ireland's emergency broadcast system, authorized by the President and senior officers of the Army. You are asked to remain calm. The above broadcast is nothing more than a hoax. Our government has not given in and will not fall to terrorists. Erison Watchtower in Palace is under attack by members of the Provisional Irish Republican Army. The Irish Armed Forces are doing everything possible to defend the integrity of the people and the government. A curfew was declared in the provinces of Ulster and Connaught for the safety of the inhabitants. If you reside in one of these provinces, do not leave your home and do not open the door to anyone. Stay with your family and get water and food for the next 14 days. Do not make contact with the terrorists of the I.R.A., much less try to join them, since you will be killed by the forces of order. We will not give up so easily. The Republic of Ireland is strong and will not fall to terrorists. If for any reason, our government is overthrown, you are kindly asked not to follow the orders of the insurgents. We will be back in power again and Ireland will once again be the glorious country it was. This transmission will be repeated by all means.